Hey guys, so how's it going? I want you all to check this out real quick.
And I'm telling you now, and you know this yourself, there is no other space other than meme coins where you can make insane amount of growth in such a short space of time. Like, I've seen someone go from like less than a couple $1,000s in their account to over $300,000 in the space of 24 hours. Now, whether you have a couple $1,000s or not, the point I'm trying to make is there is nowhere else on earth where you can turn that sort of money into that sort of money. It's insane.
So when I first seen this video, I thought to myself, clearly this guy knows what's up. And he kind of reminds me of myself. Listen, everything that this fellow here said was on point. Because there's nowhere else throughout the entire financial sector are you going to find an asset class that can appreciate so much in a short period of time. Let's take Shiba Inu for example. Shiba Inu went up 45 million% in less than 2 years. Listen, that is unprecedented in the history of commerce. Nowhere else can you find such increases in a short period of time. Nowhere else, not in hard assets such as gold and silver. I remember I'd purchased, some silver, and it took literally years for it to just, go up 100%. And in the end, I ended up losing a majority of it. Stocks, definitely not. Government bonds, none of that stuff. Nothing that you can think of throughout the whole of the financial sector can be compared to Memecoin and the potential that meme coins have. You see, Bitcoin has seen its day. Bitcoin has already pumped, so you can't speak about Bitcoin. You're not going to make any money with Bitcoin. What you're going to make is crumbs, and that is only via leveraged trading. You see, buying and holding Bitcoin, I wouldn't advise anyone to do that. As a matter of fact, speaking about advising, I must let you guys know that none of what I'm saying or what I'm about to say is to be taken as financial advice, because I'm telling you the truth. The last time I checked, I am not a financial advisor. You see, I'm just speaking out of experience here in the markets is all I'm doing. So yes, the meme coins, guys, what can be compared to them? The blue chips? No, the blue chips have already pumped, such as XLM, Cardano, XRP, Litecoin, HBAR, Storch, all of these blue chip coins, like Link and Dot, AVAX, the lot of these coins have already pumped, you see. And so if you were to jump into them at their current price, the ROI would be very minimal. And unless that's what you're looking for from the very start, even near the start of this year, I've been telling people, forget these blue chip coins because the whales are going to dump on them. Why? Because the lot of them, majority of them have already pumped. So you want to stay clear of them. What you want to get into is the meme coins. And I understood this, like I said, for quite a while now, even from the start of the year. You want to get into certain meme coins, not all of them, because I'm going to name out a bunch of them right now where you want to wait until those have already crashed before you consider purchasing them. The ones that you want to get into currently are the ones that have literally crashed down to nothing, that have flatlined. You see, these are ones that have been crashing for months and even years now. Specific ones. For example, like Kishu Inu, BNB Lion, BNB Tiger, WikiCat, Digimon Rabbit, all of these coins, they have like 10, some of them 11, 12 zeros. You see, you want to purchase these coins and hold on to them. I've had experiences with God candles before. And how did I experience them? I purchased these coins that were flat. You see, I just purchased them and just held them. And many times, how I knew that I'd made profits was I just was probably sleeping or doing something in the middle of the day, and I heard my alarms going off on CMC, on coin market caps. And when I went and take a look at my phone, I was just blown away, guys, because I've experienced like a 10x, like within minutes, guys. A 10x candle forms on, some of these coins that I've been holding. And so that's what you want to do. You purchase them when they're flatline, not when they are pumping and, when they're near to the tops or at the tops. know that the majority of people do that and they end up getting wrecked. They got wiped out completely. And I don't want that for any of you guys. So, take it from my experience. You want to purchase these coins when they have flatlined. And currently there's a great opportunity right now to make life-changing money. You see, within these God candles that are coming, because they're definitely coming, they're going to be houses. They're going to be exotic cars, Lamborghinis and Ferraris. Within these God candles, they're going to be lands, businesses, you see, in just one of these candles. Because as I've told you before, these God candles will get up and do like a 20 to 30x in a very short period of time. You see, but there's going to be other trades to be made, but that's for another video. But yeah, guys, how do I know as well? How do I know that the meme coins are going to take over next? Because that's what's getting ready to occur. Bitcoin has had its time in the limelight, but now, as we all see, it's capitulating. It's being sold off. And as Bitcoin is being sold off, as Bitcoin crashes, the meme coins are going to take over. A great number of meme coins are going to pump, guys, but it's just that some are going to pump more than others. And those are the ones that you want to get into. You see, it's the market sentiment. Bitcoin was the focus. And as a result, a lot of money, the liquidity was flowing into Bitcoin. But as it crashes and it loses its focus, loses the attention of the majority, the sentiment is about to shift from Bitcoin. And also these other big blue chips like XRP, ADA, XLM, and all of these other blue chips, the sentiment is also going to be shifting from those as well temporarily, because it's going to come back. The whole world is going to be focused on what? The meme coins. It's going to take over, guys. You see. And that's what the lots are not expecting. They don't know that until when it starts to occur. You see, it's when it starts to pump, when they starts to pump rather, all of these meme coins, that's when like the FOMO is going to ignite and the prices are going to explode for these meme coins. So that will be the order of how the liquidity flows. It will flow out of Bitcoin and these blue chip coins, even as they start to capitulate as they're being sold off, because I guarantee you, they're going to be sold off. XRP, Ethereum, I've already shown you several videos, charting videos of where I believe that these coins are going to go, including Ethereum, XRP, Cardano, XLM. They're going to go significantly lower. And all of that liquidity that's coming out of those coins and Bitcoin as well, it has to go somewhere. It's not all going to just go and park up in Tether. They're waiting for the next appreciating asset. And what do you think that's going to be? It's going to be these meme coins. You see, meme coins like what? Currently, like I've told you, the ones that are going to go first are the ones that have already flatlined. You see, because they have already bottomed out. They've already crashed. They've been crashing for quite some time now. So they're the ones that are going to go first, like Kishu Inu, Volt Inu, these coins that have literally bottomed out. BNB Tiger, Digimon Rabbit, BNB Lion, all of these coins. But I know that there's several other coins that you guys are out there, you guys are fans of, and you want to know about them. Let me tell you, for these other coins, they have more space to crash. Starting with the top dog, Shiba Inu. I've already mentioned it before. I wouldn't be purchasing Shiba Inu at its current price unless you happen to have thousands of dollars and you don't mind waiting long term. Unless, of course, that's you can go right ahead and purchase at these prices, because in that case, it's a good buy price. In that particular case, it would be a good buy price at the 5 zeros where it's currently at. But if you're not rich like myself and you want to take advantage of lower numbers, better prices are definitely coming. So I'd be waiting for Shiba Inu to crash further if I were you guys. So the first one, Shiba Inu, it's not ready yet. Better numbers are coming, 6 zeros and potentially 7, 8 going down. It all depends on the exchanges and the limitations that they have. So you want to wait for that. Let's see here. Bunk is another one that's going to pump. I'm going to name out a bunch of them that's going to pump. Bunk is going to pump, guys. But I would wait on Bunk to crash further. Floki is going to pump as well. That can crash some, that can crash a little bit more. I would wait for that to crash a little bit more before I'd purchase into that. Pengu as well, that giant meme coin, the penguin meme coin. You can also wait for that to crash some more, and then you can start accumulating Pengu as well. WIF is a very important meme coin as well, which is going to do very well, but that needs to crash significantly. I believe it's just a little bit too high. You see, so you want to get in when the market caps have shrunk a great deal. You have to be observant, you see. So I would wait until that crashes some more. And then you have dogs. I believe dogs is at a buy price. Yes, I would observe it keenly. And if you don't mind waiting long term, I would buy some and just hold for long term. I believe that meme coin that is called dogs, that's at a buy price currently. I also believe that that meme coin that's called Milady, it's currently at 7 zeros. This is the lowest I believe I've ever seen it. I believe that that's also at a buy price. I would purchase in some. If you're a fan of Milady, that is, and dogs. All of these ones that I'm currently mentioning, it's only if you're fans of them. If you're not, just ignore this. You see, disregard what I'm saying here. I'm just stating what I'm observing. So Milady and dogs, those two, I believe they could be purchased currently. You see, because they've crashed, they've bottomed out. Pepe. Pepe is another very important meme coin that's going to do equally as well as Shiba Inu. It's going to pump up to 1 cent, and further on down the road, it's going up to the multi-dollars. But you don't want to buy Pepe. I think it's currently at 5 zeros as well. Its all-time low was around 10 zeros. So potentially, hopefully it crashes all the way down as well, you know, to 7, 8 zeros. That's when I'd be looking to get into Pepe. You see, at least not above 6 zeros 1. Going down to 7 or even potentially 8 zeros is where I would be considering purchasing Pepe. It has more space to crash, because when Bitcoin starts to dip down to those lower numbers, down to 50K or 40 grand, potentially even heading down towards 20 grand, coins like Pepe will flash crash just like Shiba Inu, extremely low, potentially down into the 8 zeros, and that would be the perfect time to get into coins like Pepe. Yeah, guys, so there you have it. There's a great number of coins that are going to pump, but some of them have a lot of space to crash, and you want to stay away from the larger market cap coins. I wouldn't purchase into those coins currently. I would wait until the market cap reduces significantly. Now, I've heard about this coin that is called Crepe, and there's a lot of prophecies out there. I've looked into it, but I believe that that coin as well needs to crash. I wouldn't purchase that coin because it's already pumped. It's too high. Personally, I wouldn't purchase that coin currently. I would wait until it bottoms out. Then I would purchase it. That is wisdom, based off of my experience. You see, whenever the coins have already pumped, there's way too much space for it to crash. You see, and we're not jumping into the markets to lose money. We've already lost too much. You see, we have to exercise wisdom and patience. So we want to wait until they have crashed. Simple. You know, just wait until the coins have crashed, until they've bottomed out. You want to buy at the bottom when they're flat. You get in, hold for the long term. It's simple. It's not even that technical. It's not that difficult at all. Once you apply that simple rule of buying at the bottom, the absolute bottom that is, or near to the bottom, because no one will know the absolute bottom actually. But wisdom will show you, even in the charts, when the coins are either at the bottoms or very close to the bottom. That's where you want to get in. You buy, stack up, send to your cold wallet, and you hold for the long term. So there you have it, guys. You guys who have positioned yourself to buying into these meme coins like Shiba Inu, who have your low limit buy orders set to take advantage whenever it drops, because it will most certainly drop further. You're the ones who are setting yourselves up to take advantage of meme coin season whenever it comes around. And trust me, it's very, very near. You see, because as Bitcoin falls, meme coin season will take over. That's how the liquidity will flow. So there you have it. That's all I'm going to share with you all in this particular video. You guys do with this information what you will. Position yourself to take advantage. It's all playing out currently. Even as Bitcoin falls, that's very, very good news for all of us. You see, it's one of the best things that could ever happen, because unless and until Bitcoin falls, we would never have any type of wealth transfer. these other coins could never rise. They would never pump. And Bitcoin is currently falling even as I'm creating this video right now. It's on its way heading down first to 70 grand, then down to 50. And I hope to God it slices through 50 and head towards 20, because trust me, the lower it goes, it will be the better for Memecoin season. Memecoin season would be that much bigger. But it would not only be better for Memecoin season, it would also be better for Bitcoin itself because of the slingshot effect. The lower it falls, the higher it will bounce. You see, that's when it would literally rebound. It would rally all the way up to 150, 200,000, potentially up to 350,000 or even 400,000. And it all depends on how low it crashes. You see, it will be very, very healthy for its next bull run, is what I'm saying. So there you have it, guys. I'm not going to make this video any longer. You guys, please take care of yourselves. Peace, shalom. Until next time.